Hello, you awesome people. This is Ramesh, and you are watching TechProwess. In today's video, I am going to share with you most commonly used programming languages across the IT industry. So, if you are a beginner, don't miss this video. In this video, you will get a complete overview about which programming language is being used for what purpose and the different types of software development. So, make sure that you watch the video till the end, and without any further delay, let's get started with the video right away. And for that, I would like to take you to straight to my computer screen so that I'll be able to explain you better. So let's go to my computer screen. Okay, so the very first thing that we'll try to do is that we'll try to understand the different types of software development, and in order to give you an overview, I will try to categorize them into 4 different categories. Those are kind of a main streams of software development. So let's take a look at that. So the first category is web application development, the second one is mobile application development, the third one is gaming development, and the fourth one is data science and machine learning. So let's now take a look at web application development, and we'll go one by one for each of them. So when we talk about web application development, so it is categorized into 2 parts, front-end development and the back-end development. So front-end is basically something which is visible to us. So whenever you visit any website, so the page that you see on the browser is front-end, and back-end is something that which is happening behind the scenes, and back-end is the kind of an engine of that website which is getting the data to be shown on the front end. So let's now take a look at which are the most commonly used programming languages for front end development. So HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Yes, these are the commonly used programming languages for creating the front end. Yes, along with these programming languages, we'll also be using the framework as well, but we're not going to discuss about any of the framework in this video. We'll just skip it about discussing about the programming languages those are being used. So yes, HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Let's now take a look at the backend development. So for backend development, the most commonly used languages are Java, C#, Python, PHP, Ruby and JavaScript. Yes, JavaScript being used as front end as well, also at the backend as well, along with the JavaScript frameworks. With that said, we have seen front-end development programming languages and the back-end development programming languages. Now, our next category of software development is mobile application development. And when we talk about mobile application development, it is mainly categorized into 2 parts, Android application development and iOS application development. So let's take a look at which are the programming languages being used for Android application development. So for Android apps, the common one is Java, and nowadays Kotlin is also becoming a preferred choice of language for developing native Android applications. And let's take a look for iOS application development. So for iOS apps, it is Objective-C that was being used till now most commonly, but after the introduction of Swift is getting more and more popularity, and Objective-C is being lesser used in comparison to Swift. Apart from this, there is one category of language that is being used for developing iOS as well as Android application with the single code base. So the most common one presently, very popular, is the Dart language that is being used with Flutter SDK. So let's now move on to gaming development. So for gaming development, the most commonly used are C# and C++. Yes, these are the 2 programming languages those are being used for developing any gaming application, and nowadays even Rust is also being used for developing games as well. And the 4th category and the last one is data science and machine learning. Yes, so for data science and machine learning, the programming language being used are Python, R, MATLAB and Scala. Yes, the Python is the most commonly being used for data science and machine learning. And the new addition to this list is Julia, that is slowly gaining a lot of popularity. So yes, this is the complete high-level overview about the different types of software development, the most common ones, and the programming language being used for this kind of software development. So with that said, I would like to conclude the video over here, and I hope you would have found the video as useful. If you like the video, make sure you give a thumbs up to the video, and if you didn't like the video, do give a thumbs down as well. And it would be great if you could share your feedback in the comment section. I would really appreciate that. And if you are new to the channel and have not yet subscribed to the channel, make sure that you hit that subscribe button right out there and be a part of TechProwess channel. I'll see you in the next video, and that is going to be an interesting one as well, so make sure that you watch that as well. So see you out there in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, and happy programming.